Imagine preparing for one of the toughest examinations in the country, investing months of your life only to wait an entire year just to know whether you performed correctly or not. This has long been the reality for aspirants of the civil services examination in India, but not anymore. So hello and welcome. You're watching Next IAS English. Today we'll discuss a significant change, a significant development in India's civil services examination process. Let's deep dive. So the Union Public Service Commission or UPSC has decided to release provisional answer keys immediately after the preliminary exams, which are prelims. Traditionally, answer keys were published only after the entire civil services examination cycle, which includes prelims, mains and interviews, was concluded, which spans nearly a year. This change follows a Supreme Court petition challenging the old practice, which left candidates unable to verify their performance or spot evaluation errors for months. By releasing provisional keys soon after prelims, UPSC is taking a major step towards transparency, addressing long-standing concerns about fairness in the recruitment process. Moving ahead, let's look at the background and petition. Now, historically, UPSC released marks, answer keys, cutoffs only after the complete examination process. This year-long delay prevented candidates from verifying their own scores or challenging the errors in the evaluation process, which often caused frustration and a lot of uncertainty. The petition filed by advocates Saroj Tripathi and Rajiv Dubey highlighted this issue. They argued that withholding key information had no rational basis and unfairly disadvantaged unsuccessful candidates. Early access would allow candidates to verify their evaluation, check if others have genuinely scored such high cutoff, or prepare better for future attempts. Essentially, the petition focused on fairness, accountability, and timely grievance redressal. Now, moving forward, let's talk about UPSC's response and Supreme Court's role. Now, initially, UPSC resisted early disclosure, filing an affidavit in May 2025. The Commission argued that releasing provisional answer keys immediately could create uncertainty and potentially delay the examination process also. UPSC defended its traditional post-cycle release as very practical and efficient. The Supreme Court, however, appointed senior advocate Jaideep Gupta as amicus curiae, assisted by Pranjal Kishore, to provide independent guidance on the same. The amicus recommended releasing the provisional key immediately after prelims to enhance transparency and fairness would be great. During the petition's pendency, UPSC reviewed this suggestion and eventually agreed to adopt it, marking a significant shift in the policy. Now, moving forward, let's talk about new process and modalities. Under the new system, UPSC will publish provisional answer keys immediately after prelims. Candidates can submit their objections, but each objection must be supported by at least 3 authoritative sources, such as textbooks or expert opinions. Unsupported objections will be rejected, with UPSC serving as the final authority on source validity. All valid objections will be reviewed by a dedicated team of subject experts. The finalized key will determine prelims results, while the official answer key will follow after the full civil services examination cycle. This ensures candidates can challenge errors in a timely manner, enhancing both accountability as well as trust in the UPSC's processes. Now, moving forward, let's talk about implications and conclusion. This change has several important implications. Candidates can now promptly address errors in evaluation, verify their marks, and understand the cutoff system. The process reduces their frustration and strengthens fairness and allows aspirants to prepare more effectively for their future attempts also. Moreover, this decision has significantly increased the transparency, enhancing the public trust in the Union Public Service Commission. It sets a precedent for other competitive examinations and highlights the judiciary's role in encouraging administrative reforms in the public interest. Overall, this is a landmark step towards a more transparent, a more accountable and fair civil services examination system in India, which will benefit millions of aspirants annually. So that was it for today. I will see you in another deep dive video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.